Good morning, everyone. Not going to be a long video. I mean, I'll make it long because I'll just talk until it's 20 minutes. But yeah, it was very slow yesterday. 67 yesterday, off to $10 this morning. I only have 8 orders going out, so again, that won't take too awful long. Ooh, for a whopping $48. Winning. Wow. Yeah. You just gotta keep plugging away. Hope for better days. S14. Um. Wow, that's a slow day, huh? Probably should have done a video, but I like talking. Nice card, nice street view. Youngsville, never heard of it. In Pennsylvania. So I at least started working on auctions for this Sunday. My hope is to have 500 auctions going. And it's always slow going getting listings done, but I'm trying something new. Oh, right on top. Hey, Washington, D.C. Old private mailing card. Is I'm trying SKU numbers. And the SKU number is really just the tab or the box letter tab number. That's my SKU. The way I pull postcards, I use that code to find them. But I found that if you have, I didn't know this. If you have, because this is the sheet I pull from the orders. I didn't know that custom SKU will actually show up on this page. I didn't know that. I just didn't want to have to pull up each listing and try to find the SKU number. So anyway, I'm gonna try it. Old dog, new trick type of thing. Look at that old one. Oof. Kind of old. So anyway, I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it on these new auctions and see how that goes, and if stuff sells, uh, see how it is for me pulling. Because again, it's I'm stuck in my ways for the most part, and yeah, I'm just stuck in my ways. So we give it a whirl. Huh. Didn't notice the tape on that one. I wonder if I noted that. Johnson. Yeah, Valentine's Day this weekend. As your friendly reminder, get your significant other a card at least. Maybe a box of chocolates. That's not a good Forrest Gump. I probably can't even do a Forrest Gump impression. And in my mind, I sound exactly like him. Flying choo-choo train, also known as an airplane. And I think Kennywood, maybe one more after that. And then to try to get this to maybe a 9 or 10 minute video, I have my whatnot auctions set up for this weekend. Paperpalooza, I got that done yesterday. I got a lot of stuff done yesterday. It's amazing when I take my little focus meds and have a list of stuff I need to do, how much I actually power through and get done. So, Kennywood Park, whopping $2, but I have several of them. In fact, I think that whole box is Kennywood Park. And then Choo Choo Train, AQ12. choo-choo train. And then I just took this offer here. Just took that offer right there. AY12. AY12. Nope. So how is everybody's slow? I saw some of the thumbnails for other YouTube people that their sales are down to. I know people aren't feeling real good about the economy right now. I just read an article yesterday about how, like, the people in AI are worried about AI. Just the advances that have been made. That pretty much, if you see my thumbnails, if you're a graphic designer, you're being replaced. If they've now had AI doing not now, but they've had AI doing the coding, and it's getting so good at the coding that it's coding the new AI, and it can do things just extremely well. But then you got AI effing things up too. I mean, if it can't do an eBay title based on a picture or follow simple instructions, how many of these do I got? So there's, if you're a coder, you're probably going to be out of a job too. It says I have 2 of them. Okay. So yeah, I mean, I would not force, but I would tell kids these days to get into a trade. Back in the 80s, it was like going to Votech was almost looked down upon. Like, oh, you're a Votecher. And in the 80s, 85, talked about this before, 84, 85-ish, I wanted to go to Votech to study computers. Could you imagine getting into computers back in the 80s? I mean, computers were still a thing, but they not like they are now. I could have been Bill Gates or the Apple guy. No, all because Mr. Cessna said I wasn't going to pass algebra, and my mom went and talked to Mr. Cessna, and I passed algebra. Anyway, nothing else on eBay after a refresh. I do got Whatnot. There's always Whatnot. So Saturday, I don't know what I have up here. Come on. Saturday, I'm doing full boxes. Talked about it yesterday. Starting at $15. I think I have at least 30 boxes. They're still upstairs, but they're going to come downstairs. And from my garage, they're going to come in. So I'm just going to do full boxes. And then on Sunday, 8 o'clock, I am in Paperpalooza 12. So I got some, I don't know if it's really going to come up here or not. I got some Garfield. Let's see if I can do this. That ain't going to work. 30 Garfield cards, 65, actually it's probably about 75 animals, 40 horse racing, 45 drinking alcohol-related humor, 60 romantic couples and some women in there, 100 cave postcards, I'm sure that'll be a big seller, 50 beach humor, some like the itty-bitty yellow polka dot bikini type of cards, 80 birds, 80 plus Lincoln Highway postcards, 100 Japanese cards, 80 banner greeting cards, 50 seals, crest, coat of arms, and flags. Some of those are kind of neat. Let me see. Disney and Disneyland, 95 of those. 90 large letter, mix of chrome and linen. 175 World Fair postcards, and it's from like 1904 up to, I think, 67. There might be 68 in there. 275 choo-choo trains, and 220 mixed holiday and greetings. And then if it's an hour show, and if I have enough time, I'm just going to do some pounders. So, yeah, come check that out on Saturday and Sunday. And then again this weekend, the only postcard show in West Columbia, South Carolina. let me know if you go to that, and let me know how it is. I mean, it's a long drive, but I could make a a getaway weekend out of it. So, okay, that's it. Hopefully, hopefully sales improve. Ouch. Okay. I hope your sales are much gooder. Have a good day. Bye.